Will you go to the party? Yes, I will go if there's free food. Will she call me back? No, she will text instead. Will it rain tomorrow? I hope not. It will be sunny. Will we finish our work on time? If we stop procrastinating, we will finish. Will they win the game? They have a good chance, but it will be tough. Will I pass the test? If you study, you will pass. Otherwise, good luck. Will you buy a new phone? Not yet. I will wait for a discount. Will he apologize? Unlikely. He will not admit he's wrong. Will she bake a cake for my birthday? Maybe, if you remind her. She will forget otherwise. Will we travel next summer? Hopefully. We will need a vacation. Will they help us move? Only if we bribe them with pizza. They will come then. Will I find my lost keys? Check your pockets again. You will see them there. Will you watch the new movie? Yes, it will be amazing. Will he be late again? Most likely. He will never be on time. Will she tell the truth? That depends. Will it be something serious? Will it snow this winter? Yes, and it will be freezing. Will we agree on dinner? No, we will all want different things. Will they come to the wedding? I hope so. It will be fun. Will I stop procrastinating? Unlikely, but we will dream. Will you lend me some money? Sure, but you will pay me back, right? Will he clean his room this week? Not unless someone forces him. He will ignore the mess. Will she adopt a cat? Yes, she will love her new pet. Will it be too hot this summer? Most definitely. We will stay inside. Will we run into traffic? Of course, it will be rush hour. Will they invite us to their party? I hope so. It will be fun. Will I wake up on time? Not if you will sleep late again. Will you eat all the cookies? No, maybe. Okay, yes, I will eat them all. Will he finally fix the broken sink? If we remind him 100 times, he will fix it. Will she learn to drive this year? Yes, but we will stay off the roads when she does. Will it take long to get there? Yes, if we will take the wrong turn. Again. Will you visit me next weekend? Yes. I will come on Saturday. Will she cook dinner tonight? No, we will order pizza instead. Will they arrive on time? Probably not. They will be late again. Will we have fun at the party? Definitely. It will be amazing. Will he exercise tomorrow? Unlikely. He will sleep instead. Will you send me the documents? Yes, I will email them now. Will it be cold next week? Yes, it will snow a lot. Will I understand this math problem? If you study, you will understand it. Will we need to bring snacks? No, they will provide food. Will she win the competition? Maybe. She will try her best. Will you join us for lunch? Sure, I will be there at 1 p.m. Will they buy a new car? Yes, they will get one soon. Will we finish the project by Friday? If we work hard, we will complete it. Will he text me back? Maybe, but he will take forever. Will she dye her hair? Yes, she will change it to blue. Will it break if I drop it? Most likely. You will regret it. Will we watch a movie tonight? Yes, we will pick a good one. Will they help us clean? Hopefully, they will come later. Will I remember my password? No, you will reset it again. Will you take photos at the event? Yes, I will capture every moment. Will she find a new job? Yes, she will start next month. Will he bring his guitar? Yes, he will play some songs. Will it be expensive? Yes, it will cost a fortune. Will we see fireworks tonight? Yes, it will be a great show. Will they visit us for Christmas? Yes, they will arrive on the 24th. Will I ever stop eating chocolate? No, you will love it forever. Will you forgive me? Yes, I will forget about it soon. Will she dance at the party? Definitely. She will have fun. Will he fall asleep early? No, he will stay up all night. Will we hear good news soon? Hopefully. It will make our day. Will they agree with our plan? Maybe. They will discuss it first. Will I get a promotion? If you work hard, you will achieve it. Will you finish your homework? Yes, I will complete it soon. Will she sleep early tonight? No, she will stay up watching shows. Will it take long to cook? No, it will be ready in 10 minutes. Will we forget about this moment? Never. We will cherish it forever. Will they repaint their house? Yes, they will choose a bright color. Will I cry during the movie? Yes, it will be an emotional one. Will you call me later? Yes, I will talk to you at 8 p.m. Will she wear a red dress? Yes, she will look stunning. Will he tell us a joke? Of course. He will make everyone laugh. Will it start raining soon? Yes, it will pour heavily. And will we have a good time? Absolutely. It will be unforgettable. Will they discover a new planet? Maybe. Scientists will explore more. Will I meet someone special? Who knows? You will find out soon. Will you learn a new skill? Yes, I will practice painting. Will she smile when she sees us? Yes, she will be so happy. Will he fix my laptop? Hopefully. He will check it later. Will it fly faster than before? Yes, it will be upgraded. Will we laugh at this later? Definitely. It will be hilarious. Will they believe our story? Maybe, but it will sound crazy. Will I get enough sleep tonight? Probably not. You will stay on your phone. Will you share your dessert? No way, I will eat it all. Will she love the surprise? Yes, she will be thrilled. Will he travel to Europe? Yes, he will visit Italy first. Will it shine tomorrow? Yes, the sun will be bright. Will we survive Monday? Barely. We will need more coffee. Will they remember my birthday? Hopefully, they will get a reminder.